All right, this text is another informational text about the American Revolution. It has some of the same information, but the more we read something, the more familiar we get with it, so the better we understand it. One analogy I heard was think of it as like Velcro in your brain. When you read about something the first time, you don't have anything to stick it to, so it's hard to keep it in your brain. But if you've read about it once or twice and then you read about it again, you have something to connect it back to. So think about those first texts were kind of building the foundation, putting like some of the Velcro up, but now this Velcro has something to stick to. So when you read this one, hopefully it'll build that understanding, and then you can keep building more and more and understand it better. Okay, so then there's just some questions. Notice the third one says, what else do you know about the American Revolution? You've read 2 other texts about it. Well, really 3, including that first one about Joseph Plum Martin. So think of something that you learned from those. If you need to go back to one of them, do that. But don't tell me that you don't know anything else about the American Revolution. Okay, you have resources that you can use if you forget, but you do need to write something else that you know about it or go look something up. As always, make sure you ask for help if you need it. Make sure you do underline sentences to support your answer. It's good practice in rereading and going back and proving that you did get your answer from somewhere. You didn't just make it up. Not that you would make it up, but proving your answer helps make sure you get the right answer, is what I'm trying to say. All right, anyway, good luck. Let me know if you need help.